Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You will start by confirming where Windows Boot Manager lives and ensuring tools are available. First, boot Ubuntu or open a terminal with sudo. Use lsblk and sudo fdisk-l to list disks and note the EFI partition, usually FAT32, ~100 500 MB, and the Windows partition. Once identified, install fubuntu and grub install so you can inspect and edit EFI entries. Make sure to mount the EFI partition to /mnt/EFI to view files. This reveals why Windows Boot Manager persists. Once done identifying entries, remove the firmware entry and any boot files. Run sudo fubuntu v to find the boot ## number for Windows Boot Manager. Then execute sudo fubuntu b ##b to delete that nvram entry. Make sure to rerun fubuntu v to confirm it is gone. Next, mount the EFI partition at /mnt/EFI, and after verifying you have a working Ubuntu EFI folder. Remove the /EFI/Microsoft directory and related EFI files to prevent the firmware from finding Windows bootloader. Finish by updating your boot configuration and testing. Run sudo update grub, and if required, sudo grub install target equals x8664EFI to ensure grub is the active loader. This writes a valid shim on the EFI partition. Reboot and check the UEFI boot menu to confirm Windows Boot Manager is gone. If something fails, mount the EFI partition and restore backups you made, or recreate entries with fubuntu. One key troubleshooting tip. If firmware still shows it, clear nvram entries and power cycle the machine to force the firmware to refresh.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.